everyone, and welcome back to another video. It is Saturday, May 30th, I think, and we arrived in this spot in Wyoming yesterday. We're in the Bridger-Tetons National Forest, and it is absolutely beautiful. We're surrounded by mountains, surrounded by trees that are just towering over us. They're huge, and right next to a creek that is super flowing and super clean water, so we've been able to use that. It's absolutely beautiful. Check it out, you guys. I was just flying my drone and I crashed it into a tree. So I'm gonna go with my mom and try to find it. You guys, I see it and I hope to God it's not broken. Okay. I got her! I think she's okay. But whew, that was got my heart racing a little bit. I was so nervous. Alright, so she came out with a few minor scratches and 2 propellers broke, but I mean, I found it and it's not completely destroyed, so I am so thankful. But now it is time for some breakfast because that made me hungry from the stress. And honestly, climbing up that hill was a little scary. But I just bought this from the grocery store. It's like a vegan egg replacement and you can make it like real eggs. So I'm gonna try this out with some avocado and a bagel. We'll see how it works. Alrighty guys, this is my first egg sandwich that I've had in literally forever, so I'm really excited to see how this is. Hell yeah. So it is day 7 of not washing my hair. It may be disgusting to some people. I don't really care. It's just the life of living in a van. So I'm gonna just throw my hair in some braids and then we're gonna hit and go do a hike. We're like parked on a national forest road, and if you keep walking up 3 miles, I think there's something there, so hopefully like a little bit of a 6-mile hike should kick our ass a little bit, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me doing that. We are all strapped up and ready to go. Got my bear spray because we are in bear country and not trying to make this morning any more eventful, but let's go, guys!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Well, you guys, we hiked 4 miles up and we found this lake and it's so beautiful. It is a glacier lake that is flowing into the creek. And yeah, it's beautiful. We're gonna hike back down and make some lunch. Alright, so in the smoothie I'm gonna throw in these bananas. They're getting ripe, so time to use those up. We got some blueberries. and some strawberries, and then we've got ice in the cooler for our beer, so we're just gonna throw some of that ice in, and then our protein powder. You guys know I love this stuff. Got these unflavored super greens. I'm gonna throw these in as well. It's just got like fruits, vegetables, super greens, mushrooms, and probiotics. Great blend of all that good stuff. Alrighty guys, got it all in here. Gonna throw it on. Throw the lid on. I already have my inverter on, so we're all set, and quick shout out to my fam over at HP Wellness, best metal straws ever. It says, suck this on it. Funniest thing ever, but let's try this. That is so refreshing. Man, it is kind of spa day for us over here. We washed our hair. It feels amazing. And I'm gonna do a face mask. Gonna throw that on, lay out in the sun. We're both pretty exhausted from that hike, honestly. It was exhausting. But the sun is out now, and we're just gonna chill. Alrighty guys, we've just been playing cribbage all afternoon, and we just whipped up some dinner. I got a pita bread, sounds so weird, with mayonnaise, like a cabbage slaw, so got cabbage and carrots, a sausage, mustard, ketchup, and a pickle. So we'll see how this is.
It's a hot dog with relish.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, anything with ketchup is gonna be good, so. Cheers! Double rainbow all the way!
See it?
See it?
Uh-huh.
Good morning, you guys. Last night we just chilled for the rest of the night. Didn't really do much. Today we are headed to Jackson, Wyoming. Today is errand day. I gotta do laundry, gotta stop at the grocery store, gotta stop at a cafe and upload some videos. So today I'm just gonna be doing all that stuff, but this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really sad to be leaving this spot, but I will be back here soon. But be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's video. I'll see you guys then. Bye, you guys.